If you're looking to delete your Facebook account permanently or temporarily, follow these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. In the bottom right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy section, then tap Settings. Next, navigate to Account Center and find the Personal Details option. Tap on it and then select Account Ownership and Control. From here, choose Deactivate or Deletion and select the account you want to remove. At this point, Facebook will ask whether you want to deactivate your account temporarily or delete it permanently. Make your choice and tap Continue. Enter your password when prompted. The next screen will ask for a reason for your decision. Select any option and tap Continue. Scroll down through the next page, locate the 7 days option, tap it, and select Don't Reactivate Automatically to ensure the deletion process is not reversed. Finally, tap Continue and confirm your choice by selecting Deactivate Account. Your account will now be scheduled for deletion. If you chose permanent deletion, Facebook will keep your data for a limited time before it's completely erased. That's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.